guys, hope you've had a really nice day, but better watch this video because today we're going to be making pancakes. What do you need this to make pancakes with? Oh, right, okay, so we need this thing. A pancake shaker.
Pancake mix.
Some olive oil.
That's to stop the pancake sticking to the pan.
And a pan. First of all, you put the oil in the pan, which we've already done. And then you shake up the pancake mix. Let's go.
You need to do your hair again. Right, so you need an adult to help with this because we need to turn the gas on.
I don't need to put my hair on. It's fine. Ting tong, ting tong, ting tong. Okay, am I just pouring it in?
Not too much, I'll tell you when yet. It in the middle, that's it. And then just spread it around. That's it, so it makes a perfect circle shape.
So we have to make this a perfect pancake.
Okay, so put it down on the heat.
Because we need a perfect pancake. Okay. There's our pancake done. How long do we leave it for, Mum?
So it starts bubbling.
So it starts bubbling. We'll come back when it starts bubbling. So we need a plate. A plate? Where's the plate? Oh. So we need a plate. I like bananas and sugar on my pancakes. So yeah. Where's, oh, magic banana. So we cut the banana up. Guys, I'm just cutting up the banana. Okay, this isn't working, I don't think. Thought I could do it quicker than this. But I was wrong. What am I doing, Mum?
Yeah, bubbling.
Is it bubbling? It's bubbling. Hi.
The pancake is bubbling.
One.
Scoop round the side to make sure it's not stuck. Still a little bit stuck. And then we just gently turn.
Okay, can I have a go, Mum? Flipping time, guys. Fail.
Cool. Looks
What
good.
happened then? Can I do it again? That's fun.
Oh wait, do you not want to flip properly like a pancake flipper?
Yeah, a bit though. I just like to do this because when you flip it, it sounds really cool. Ooh, look at that.
Looking good.
Okay, we're going to actually flip it now. So, oh, it's good.
It's cooked. So keep hold of the black handle.
You need to be very careful because if you touch that, you're dead.
It's very hot.
You're not dead.
You're not dead, no. Whoa! And again.
Zoom it in a bit more.
It's okay, very gentle because you don't want it to fall. Way! Well done.
You ready?
Yeah. Way!
Oh! Okay. That looks good.
Ooh, flip it out. Perfect pancake.
So I'm going to put the bananas in and make it into a pancake roll. So would you have to put it in the middle for that?
Looking good, looking good.
That looks so good, guys.
Okay?
No, we have to roll up the pancake.
It's like a big chicken wrap, banana wrap.
So now, guys, I'm going to pour a bit of sugar on. So let's put some sugar on. We're going to do it. This is our like baking.
Little sprinkle of sugar, that's fine.
Bye, see you in a bit. All done, guys. That looks so delicious. and with bananas it's extra special. It looks so good. Bye guys, thanks for watching.